It's yellow.
No, that's a 9. You need a 6. This is a, yeah.
Come on, baby. Stick it up.
Okay, this is a 5, I think.
No, the other way.
You need to have another.
Oh, I need another 5?
I have the 12 because I don't.
I might play on this with another one started. Right? I don't have any.
Is it?
Chin over here.
I don't think I'm gonna make it up.
Oh, you
So
will.
I can play on there.
Yes.
What do I have to play?
A
You
12.
have to put a 12 down.
The more trains we have, the more opportunities.
And I gotta draw again. Nothing.
That is so frustrating.
I can't get, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. I think somebody's got all the 12s.
Somebody must have more.
You can't play on the other ones? She can play on this one, can't she?
I can play on this one.
Yeah, but I mean,
Can she?
No, I
I
can't,
don't
no,
know.
I,
Draw from
I
one
think,
of these
I think
piles.
everybody drew.
Let me scoot you some of these
turn.
over there.
So where am I supposed to play?
Where there's your train.
Or there's a train
This is
or your
yours.
own.
This is your own. Nobody can play on this one. Okay. You can play on this one or this one. Or this one over here, which is,
Okay, so I would have to play a 12 on here.
like this. I think this is gonna be an odd time.
It is.
I can't,
You can't play on that because it's hers.
I can't play on this.
No,
I
that's
can play
mine.
on this.
Yes, that's
That
yours.
trains.
Okay, what else?
That's yours
Where else?
exclusive.
You can play on yours and the ones that has train down.
And a 9.
Okay,
Oh,
and
what a
this.
hand I have.
Yes, let's see.
Oh, yeah. You got a lot of opportunity now.
Yeah. I can put this.
Where do we have to go?
This is the bonus.
Priority.
So this is the
Go
bonus.
sit in the office.
Oh, first of all, we gotta see who draws the 12. I'm hoping that goes. No, you have to have a double 12. Double, yeah, that's what we're looking for. I don't think I want to draw the double 12.
If that's what it
That's what
brings you
they-
now, you don't want to do that again.
Well,
Go ahead.
it is in here, isn't it?
It is in here somewhere.
No?
There, Bill got it. Good.
Oh my, okay, we'll put this up here. And Bill will. But Bill can go first, and he gets a chance to go down and punch it put in. If he gets a 12, if he gets a 12, we'll, this is out of the way.
What is that?